Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install WordPress on Qservers, so let's get right into it. Now, because I don't have cPanel, I don't have access to any of those functionalities at the moment, so I'm going to go over into this article on Qservers, on their knowledge base, and I'm going to go through this and explain to you guys how you can install it. Now, the first thing you're going to need to do, you're going to need to log into your cPanel account. Then under Software Services, you're going to need to find Softaculous, which is usually under the domain section in the lower part of your page. Then once you're done on that, just click on that button and you'll be redirected where you have to choose the application, and on the left side locate blogs and then click on it and then press WordPress, which will appear as a link once you click on blogs. Then on the next page, you just need to press install at the top of your screen to specify that you want to install a completely new installation of WordPress. And then by default, Softaculous will install the application in a WP subfolder, so you might want to change that if you have any need to. And if you would like to be able to access the website via your domain only, you should delete the WP string from the directory and leave it blank. And if you want to install the application in another subfolder, you should simply type it in the field, or the name of the subfolder itself in that field. And if you want to install it in a subfolder, enter the folder name as I've specified previously. And if you want to visit this domain instead, you just need to simply type this to see your WordPress site, and you would enter blog for this setting. Now, once you do that, you just need to enter the required fields, such as the title, the description, administrative username and password, email, and click on install. And it's good practice to change the default username, which is admin, and the default password to your own settings to just increase security. But once you're done with that, that's pretty much all you need to do, and you will have WordPress installed on Qservers. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.